Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs for Easter Easy Guide. Fill a pot with cold water to cover eggs by about 1 inch, then place eggs gently into the pot. Bring to a rolling boil, then cover and turn off heat, letting eggs sit for 10 minutes. Transfer eggs to an ice bath for 5 minutes to stop cooking and make peeling easy. Steam or boil both work well, but steaming reduces cracking and yields a consistent texture. Use a timer and adjust for altitude or egg size, aiming for 9 to 12 minutes for firmness you prefer. Cool quickly so yolks stay tender and whites peel smoothly, then label if dyeing for Easter to keep colors organized during decorating. Quick recommendation: if you're prepping dyed eggs or picnic lunches, grab leak-proof containers for safe transport and neat storage. They keep salads, sauces, and decorated eggs from spilling and make post-Easter meal prep simple and organized. You'll thank me later. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In general, older eggs peel more easily, so plan ahead if you can. To peel, tap and roll each egg gently, then peel under running water to loosen the membrane and reduce tearing. For neat dyeing, wear gloves, use vinegar to brighten colors, and let eggs dry on a rack. If you want filled eggs, hollow out carefully, rinse and store shells until ready to assemble. Label batches to prevent color transfer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.